Today we are creating a modern car wall clock in SketchUp designed with only two plugins and a super clean form. If you love minimal luxury style decor, you are definitely going to want to see this. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nice Tower channel. In today's video, we are designing a stylish car wall clock using SketchUp with Busy toolbar and 1001-bit plugin. If you enjoyed this clean modeling projects, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps us create more tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump straight into the design. I'll start by drawing a rectangle with dimensions 1500 by 600 millimeters. This gives us the base area where the main clock form will sit. Now I'll switching to Busy Toolbar plugin. With this plugin, I can draw smooth curves in any direction and any radius or in any points. And you can customize this part however you like. Longer curves, tighter curves are optional. I'll finish the curve with a double click and I repeat the same process for the bottom part. I draw different curves at different points and it's done. We don't need the top and bottom surfaces anymore, so I delete those. Also delete this part. Then I'll take an offset of 10 millimeters to create thicknesses around the shape. And now with 1001-bit plugin, I'll turn this curve into a vertical panel. The values I'm entering are first 10, another 10, here 20 millimeters, angle 0, front and create. And that's it. Super simple. Now I'll group the panel to keep the model organized. Now I am drawing a 200 by 1000 millimeters rectangle on the panel and grouping it. Then I round all four corners to create a smooth lozenge shape. Next, I'll offset it by 5 millimeters. Delete the inner surface and extrude the border by 5 millimeters to add thicknesses. Now I'll draw a circle here with 18 radius and select all and make it a group. Extrude it by 10 millimeters. Then I'll add a second circle here. Extrude it 10 millimeters. Select all and make the group. On top of this, I'll draw two lines here and here. Now I connect them with an arc to create one of the hand. Select all and make the component. Now I offset it a little. Delete the center surface. I'll move this forward slightly and align it perfectly with the center circle. Now I extruded a little. Using rotate tool on plus control, I'll create the second clock hand. I move this one. And finally, I'll draw a small center circle here and extrude it just a bit. And that completes the modeling. And now let's add materials and see how it transforms. For the main body, I am using a dark green color. It gives a modern and luxurious feel. For the decorative frame and the clock hands, I am applying gold. Also for these parts, I'm going gold texture. And for the inner surface, I use a clean light gray. Look at this combination, green and gold. Always look stunning together. The clock instantly feels modern, elegant, and perfect for any interior. And that's our modern curve wall clock. A simple design, smooth curves, and a beautiful color palette. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more quick SketchUp modeling videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got lots more designs coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.